The void is not often talked about on the journey. When the void hits, it will feel different. You will not feel happy. You will not feel sad. You will not really be able to describe the energy. You see, what is happening in the void part of the journey is a neutralization. The energy is neutralizing, and with that neutralization comes a higher state of frequency. And so you start to shift and transform and recalibrate the energy and frequency. Every single twin flame journey, and I'm talking true twin flame journey that is on a deep spiritual awakening, will go through this void energy. And it's a really odd point to be on. It can last hours to possibly a few days. Doesn't last much longer. But it is a point where you will just not be able to put your finger on what it is. And it will feel very strange not to feel either way. You see, the feeling of either way, i.e. something is good, always equals, well, something must be bad. If you have the good, the duality, the polarity is bad. But what you are shifting into on this journey is a singularity frequency. And it comes in layers. It peels back the layers. And what is it revealing in each layer that is peeled back? Your original soul's blueprint. So when those void frequencies hit you, know that yes, it will feel strange, but know that you are shifting and recalibrating your energy and frequency into a singularity frequency. And, you know, like I always say, this journey is not an instant switch. It's not a magic pill. It comes in layers. And so as you are peeling back the layers and shifting, you will feel this energy. And once you have shifted through it, you will get a deeper inner standing of the journey. Remember, and listen to what I've said. I didn't say understanding, because understanding comes from the level of the mind. This journey is an inner standing at the level of the soul. And it is something that you and the mind cannot quite place, but you feel it energetically within. And as you feel it, you start to shift in energy and frequency. And this is what shifts you into that inner union frequency. It's a deeply mystical, magical, transformative journey. It will feel like it is burning you to the ground at first. But remember, from the ashes, the phoenix always rises. But through this journey, you will let go of any identity, and you will know that you are that Sophia, Christ-conscious frequency. And that Sophia, Christ-conscious frequency is simply witnessing itself through your eyes, through your expression. If you need more help and support on your journey, and like I always say, it's not full of pink fluffy stuff. It won't keep you in a looping energy. We go deep into the journey of why it is happening. My website is there. It's the 3Ws, catsacredsoul.com. It's there to help and support you on the truth of what the journey is. And so you can get out of the endless pain, get out of the endless searching, and start to really come back into your true essence and your true power of this journey, knowing that you are equally everything and nothing all at once. From my heart to your heart, I send you so much love. Have a blessed evening.